Hello friends, welcome to our channel Aha Jindagi Tricky Maths. In this lecture, we will discuss some important problems on the topic average. So let's start. See, in the first problem, what is said? The average of five consecutive numbers. Okay, so five consecutive numbers are A, B, C, D, and E, and average given is 48. So we have to find the product of A and E. So how we can solve this? See, we will assume the smallest number. Let the smallest number be A. Let the numbers A, B, C, D, and E be x, as all numbers are consecutive numbers. So next number, that is B, will be x plus 1, C will be x plus 2, D will be x plus 3, and E will be x plus 4. Okay, so these are five consecutive numbers respectively. Now average is given as 48, so we have to add all the numbers and divide by the number of terms. So x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 plus x plus 4 divided by total number of data is 5, and this is equal to 48. So we have to find x. So when we will add, we will get 5x plus 10 equal to 48 into 5. So it will be equal to 240, or 5x will be equal to 240 minus 10, that is 230. So x will be equal to 230 by 5, that is equal to 46. So we have A, as we have to find the product of A and E, so we will find the numbers A and then number E. So A equal to X is equal to 46, and E equal to X plus 4, so it will be equal to 46 plus 4, that is 50. But we have to find the product of A and E. Therefore, A into E will be equal to 46 into 50, and it will be equal to 2300. So our answer will be option number A. We will discuss another problem. See, in this question, what is given? Six persons went to a hotel for taking meals. Five of them spent on an average 32 each person. Okay, so five people spent 32 each, and the sixth person spent 80 more than the average of all the six. See, average of all the six is spent more than 80 rupees. Okay, so whatever is total average. So suppose x is the average, so x plus 80 is spent, and we have to find the total money spent by all the persons. So how we have to solve this? So we will assume the average first. Let average expenditure be rupees x. Okay, average expenditure be rupees x, and this average is for all the six. Therefore total expenditure will be how much? See, first five persons spent 32 each, so 32 into 5, and the six persons spent 80 more than the average. So average is x plus 80, and as the total number of persons are 6, so 6 into average, that is x. So these two will be equal to total expenditure, and from this we have to find, see, 32 into 5 plus 80, it will be equal to 240. 240 plus x equal to 6x, and from this we we will get 6x minus x, that is 5x equal to 240. So x will be equal to 240 divided by 5, that is 48. And we have to find total money spent by all the persons. Therefore, total money spent, how much it will be equal to? 6 into x. So 6 into 48, we will get rupees 288. Okay. So our answer will be option number B. We will discuss next problem. See, in this problem, what is given? Average age of 11 players increased by 2 months when two of the players were replaced. Okay, and the replaced players were age 18 and 20 years. So we have to find the average age of two new players. Okay, see, when these two players were replaced, average age is increased by 2 months and number of players is 11. So total age will be how much? See, total age increased will be equal to 2 months into number of players 11. So these many months, so it will be equal to 22 months. Okay. Now, as we have to find the average age of new players, so we can find sum of ages of two new players. Two new players. See, as the average age increased by 2 months, so total age of the group must be increased by 22 months, and only two players are replaced. So it should be equal to the age of replaced players, that is 18 plus 20 years, and the increased age. Okay, that is total age increase, that is equal to 22 months. So it will be equal to 38 years and 22 months. But we have to find the average age of new players. Therefore, average age of new players, it will be equal to 38 years, 22 months divided by 2, because it is sum of ages of two players. So it will be equal to 19 years and 11 months. So our answer will be option number C. We will discuss next problem. See, in this problem, what is given? 10 years ago, average age of a family which consists of 4 members was 24 years. And after that, two children have been born, and the difference between these two children is 2 years. Okay, difference in ages is 2 years, but it is given that at present also the average age of the family members is same, that is 24 years, and we have to find the present age of the younger child. Okay, so initially number of members were 4 10 years ago. At present number of members is 6. Okay, so how we can solve this problem? See, sum of ages of 4 members, sum of ages of 4 members 10 years ago. 10 years ago, as the average age was 24 and number of members were 4. So 4 into 24, that is 96 years. And after 10 years, every total age will be how much? So at present means At present, sum of ages of four members. Okay, four members will be equal to C 96 because these were the sum 10 years ago, and after 10 years from then, so as number of members were 4 into 10. So 40 plus 96, that is 136 years. Okay. Now we have to find the age of younger child, and difference between the age of two newborn child is 2 years. So we will assume let the present age of younger child be x years. Okay. So total age should be how much of all the six family members. So youngest is, and youngest has x plus 2. These are age of two new children plus 136. Okay. See, we have calculated this sum of ages of four members at present, and this will be equal to average is 24 years at present, but number of members is 6. So 6 into 24, it will be equal to 144. Now twice of x plus 138, so we will take it towards right. 144 minus 138. From this we will get x equal to 6 by 2 equal to 3. Therefore, age of younger child is equal to x years, that is 3 years. So our answer will be option number D. Now we will discuss next problem. See, in this problem what is given, average score of girls in class 10 is 73 and that of boys is 71, and average score of all the students of class 10 is 71.8. We have to find the number of girls, percentage of the number of girls. Okay, so how we can calculate this? We will assume let girls percentage be x% and boys percentage will be how much? 100 minus x, because total will be 100. So 100 minus x%. Now we will talk about 100 students only. Okay, out of that 100 students, x numbers are girls and 100 minus x are boys. Therefore, what will be the total score of boys and girls? C. Number of girls out of 100 will be x, and average score of girls is 73. Number of boys will be 100 minus x, and average score of boys is 71, and total class average is given as 71.8 and number of students is 100. Okay, so from this 73x minus 71x, it will be equal to 7180 minus 7100. Therefore we can calculate twice of x equal to 80. It means x equal to 80 by 2, that is 40. Therefore percentage of girls equal to 40%. Okay, so our answer will be option number C. Okay friends, so in this lecture we have discussed some important problems on the topic average. Okay, thank you.